Hi again. We have question number 2 of the exercise that asks us to simplify by adding or subtracting like terms. So we do know by now the like terms. So in here, in different expressions, we are given different like terms that based on the arithmetic operations given, we have to add or subtract them. So taking a start from the very first one, we have 2y plus 6y. As we can see, these are like terms. How are they like terms? Because the variable is the same and the power of the variable or the exponent of the variable is also the same. In here, the variable is y in both of the terms and the power of the variable is 1 for both the terms. When adding and subtracting the terms, what we do is we consider the coefficient of the variables only. That is the number that is written in front of the variable. In here we are having 2 for this term, and for this term the coefficient is 6. So the rule is that we simplify by adding or subtracting the coefficients of the variable, and the variable remains exactly the same. So how do we simplify that? Taking a start with the first part, we have 2y plus 6y. These are the like terms. There is addition sign, so 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The coefficients are added and we keep the variable the same, that is equal to y. Then we have 9x minus 2x. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and the variable part will be the same. 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. 21x plus x. So in here we are having x. It means there is 1 as a coefficient. So 21 plus x is equal to 22x. 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x. When we subtract 2 from 7, we get 5, and the variable will be the same. 4y minus 4y, the plus and minus, they will cancel each other, and we will get 0. Then we have 9x minus 10x. So when we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, 9 is smaller than 10, so we will have a negative sign. 9 is one number smaller from 10. So in here, when 10 is subtracted from 9, we get minus x. Next h part is y minus 4y. So again, from 1, 4 is being subtracted. So in here we get when from a smaller number a larger number is subtracted, so we get the negative sign. We will have minus 3y. So in here, as you can see, there is nothing next to the y, so it means it is 1. Most of the time when it is 1, we do not write it, but it is there. Next we have 5x minus x. We subtract 1 from 5, so we get 4x. In all of them that we have so far simplified, you can notice that we are performing the subtraction and addition on the coefficient of the variable, and the variable remains the same. So the j part is 9xy minus 2xy. In here, two variables. These are both the like terms. Why are 9xy and 2xy the same terms? Like terms, because their variables are the same and the power of the variables are the same. So when we subtract 2 from 9, we get 7, and the variable part will remain the same, so we write 7xy. 6pq minus 2pq. Again, subtraction to take place between two like terms, not same terms but like terms. So 6pq, when we subtract 2 from it, we are left with 4pq. 14xyz minus xyz. So it means the coefficient in here is 1. So when we subtract 1 from 14, we have 13, and the variable will remain the same, it is xyz. 4x square minus 2x square. So again, these are the like terms because the variables are the same and the power of variable in here are also the same. This variable has the power of 2 and so does this variable. So when we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2 and the variable would be the same, x square. 9 minus 4, 5, and the variable would be the same, y square. Y square minus 2y square, so we subtract 2 from 1, there would be a negative sign and the variable would be the same, y square. 14ab square minus 2ab square, so when from 14 2 is subtracted, we get 12, and ab square, you see that these are the like terms, that's why the operation was able to be performed on them. So the variable will remain the same and the subtraction takes place with the coefficient. 9x square minus 4x square, 9x square y minus 4x square y. Again, the variables are the same, so the coefficients will be considered for simplification. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and the variable will be written exactly the same, x square y. And the last one, we have 10x y square minus 8xy square. Again, like terms, so we take the coefficients. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 and the variable part would be written exactly as it is. So what is the takeaway? When there are like terms, we can simplify them by adding and subtracting them, because addition and subtraction can take place only between the like terms. We consider the coefficients of the variables for subtraction or addition, and the variable itself will be written as it is. That's all for this question. Happy learning.